Hey, listen, I don't know what you're going through right now, but I can tell you this. You're not alone. Life's not always sunshine and smiles. Some days it's hard just to get out of bed. Some days it feels like you're running on empty, like everything you do is a battle you didn't even sign up for. But here's the thing, you're still here. You woke up, you showed up, and that, my friend, already means something. A lot of people think success is about luck, timing, or being born with something special. But most of the time, it's just about not giving up. It's about getting knocked down, dusting yourself off, and saying, all right, let's try again. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have everything figured out. You just have to keep going. You might feel like you're moving slow, like nothing's changing, but progress doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers. It's in those little moments, choosing to get up when you don't feel like it, taking one more step when your legs are tired, believing in yourself just enough to keep trying. That's growth. That's strength. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Your pace is fine. Don't compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20. Everyone's journey looks different. Some people bloom early, some bloom late, but the flower doesn't rush to compete with the one next to it. It just grows when it's meant to. You've got to remember, the tough moments don't come to break you. They come to build you. Every setback, every heartbreak, every rejection, they're shaping you into someone stronger, wiser, tougher. You might not see it now, but one day, you'll look back and say, I needed that. You'll realize that what felt like an ending was just the start of something new. And yeah, sometimes life isn't fair. Sometimes you work your butt off, and it still doesn't go the way you hoped. But that's not a reason to quit. That's a reason to fight harder, because no one's coming to hand you your dream. You've got to chase it like your life depends on it. Don't wait for the perfect time or for someone to give you permission. Start where you are, with what you've got. Take the first step, and the rest will follow. People are going to doubt you. They're going to talk, criticize, underestimate. Let them. That's background noise. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Let your actions speak for you. Work in silence, and let your results make the noise. The best revenge, success, and peace of mind. And remember to take care of yourself along the way. Hustle is great, but burnout isn't a badge of honor. Rest when you need to. Breathe. Take a walk. Talk to people who lift you up. You can't pour from an empty cup. Self-care isn't selfish. It's survival. One thing you've got to understand is this. No one has it all together. Everyone's figuring things out as they go. Those people who seem confident and successful, they've failed 100 times before they got it right. They've cried behind closed doors. They've doubted themselves too. The only difference is they didn't stop. So don't stop. Not now. Not when you've come this far. You've already made it through days you thought you wouldn't survive. You've already beaten odds that once scared you. You're stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and more capable than you give yourself credit for. When your mind starts whispering, you can't, I want you to answer back, watch me. Prove yourself to yourself. Every day, choose to show up for you. Not for approval, not for applause, but because you deserve the life you dream about. The road's going to be bumpy. You'll trip, you'll stumble, you'll fall. But every time you do, get back up. That's how winners are made. Not by never failing, but by never quitting. You don't have to be fearless. You just have to keep walking despite the fear. And one day, it's all going to make sense. The late nights, the early mornings, the tears, the doubts, they'll all add up. You'll look back and realize that everything was leading you here, to a version of yourself that's stronger, smarter, and more unstoppable than ever. So keep going. Keep believing. Keep fighting for the life you want. You've got everything it takes, right here, right now. Don't wait for the stars to align. You are the star. Stand tall, breathe deep, and remind yourself, you've got this. Always have, always will.